guys, welcome back to my channel. Today me and Tanae are going to get the best win streak of all time.
Smoke grenade.
Because I have the sniper.
I have the smoke grenade.
And Tanae does have the smoke grenade. I'm using my smoke grenade too. I just got no scope. I got no scope. He's behind you. Watch out, behind you. Why did you go in your own smoke? Yes, Tanae, one more. He's behind you. Oh! He has a burst rifle.
He has burst rifle. Oh, that's unfair.
This sucks.
That's unfair.
I still got a sniper.
Snipe him.
I think I'm gonna go sniper, handgun, because they attack us really fast. So I'm gonna. I just use this.
This chainsaw. He's right low.
No, we should use RPG. This is a close range map, so we should use RPG.
I don't have RPG.
Well, I'm gonna use my RPG then. We get close range on us, so we're gonna use our stuff.
Bro, how did he one-shot me? No face.
You can one-shot with an RPG. Dang, bro. I'm gonna use assault rifle.
He one-shot me with the grenade.
Because maybe you took damage. I'm using my assault rifle.
You're all aiming me first.
You're using like crazy RPG. You're using RPG like crazy.
That's it. I'm choosing.
Nah, bro.
That's it. Fish. I got fish.
Jenny, can you turn your volume down? They already heard enough for me.
Bro, try to RPG me.
I died.
How did he snipe me?
No, you didn't snipe you. Hey, pick the next game tonight and go on.
We'll match up.
No. It's not. That one doesn't do a win streak.
You just do one.
That one doesn't do a win streak, Maureen. Duos. There we go.
Back.
Do this tonight. Ball.
It's a good level of quick crossroads. Good level highway.
Okay, let's pick docks. Go docks. Pick docks. There we go. Docks, let's go. We gotta use this. This is a good map.
I'm gonna lose grenade.
So I'm going to use my chainsaw.
I lose grenade for you.
I have a smoke grenade.
Someone spike.
They do? Someone does?
Yes. Oh my god, you just smoked me.
Someone has sniper?
Yeah, you just smoked
I see one. I'm gonna snipe him.
Snipe! He's right there.
Dang, he has sniper. Dang. Tonight I'll get level 46, you get 17, okay? Oh shoot, I should have changed mine to shorty, bro. What did I do, bro? I'll go from up here tonight. Someone died. It's good. Got him, headshot, let's go.
I turned him to 10. I shot him to 10.
Let's do this, bro. That was a lucky one. I already have 125. He has subs and trip mine. That means he's. Headshot. I headshot one. Let's go. Let's go.
Eliminated him.
I know. I assisted you with the 70.
Who's at the top? Yo,
That was.
I'm last. I don't know.
You gotta get more damage, bro. Someone has energy rifle. He's a pay to win.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
He pushed me off the map. He's like,
How did I not hit him? Where is he?
he has katana.
I know that.
You're dead if you try to hit you.
Where is he?
Right there.
What? Yo, this guy's actually good. Where is he? Good. Bracey, bro! Today, get level 17, okay?
Yeah, he got
I gotta change it up. I gotta go with a burst rifle. If they get close, just in case. I gotta go something different.
I assisted.
One person. And that guy's easy to get. Where do you see him?
I see him. I found him. He's on yellow.
He's on the yellow one?
Yeah.
I saw him. Buddy, I'm right here too. Buddy, let's go
I
today.
assisted you.
W, bro. W, that's W.
No. Oh, I like this.
Yeah, this is W, bro.
I
This is
always
W.
go on the white
Dubs.
building.
I'm gonna go on the red one.
I always go on the white
Come on, let's do this, Dubs. It's Dubs. He snapped. He snapped.
Oh, you fell off the map.
They both fell off the map. What? They pushed him off the map.
Blue building.
I want to get a good sniping for the last one. I want to get a good sniping for the last one. Where are they?
No, you almost sniped me.
Got him. A headshot. I see him. He's down here.
I'll get him from my account.
I'm going to go help you. I got him with the shorty. Let's go, Tanae. We are goated. We are goated, bro. We are
It's a
goated.
1-win streak.
1-win streak. It's okay.
We have to get a 4.
Dude, I got the guy headshot so clean, bro. The headshot was clean.
2-1. Dutch.
Docs, big docs. Let's go. There. Let's do this, bro. Please be docs. Yes, docs. I'm using my burst rifle first because I learned my lesson.
Smoke grenade.
Smoke grenade, good. Tonight you go white, I go red because I know this map. If they have sniper, I don't think they have sniper. I don't think they have sniper tonight. They don't have
I threw a
sniper.
smoke bomb at them.
They don't have sniper. They don't have sniper.
I threw a smoke bomb.
This is good. They don't have sniper. No,
And the
nothing.
smoke. I'm gonna throw a smoke bomb there. And throw a smoke bomb there. If I threw a smoke bomb at
Someone's AFK. I got him.
He's snowman.
He's right here. He's right here. He's hiding. He's been Aiden. You know what? Since they don't have sniper, I'm gonna go with the sniper.
He's gonna shot me.
Should I go with like this? Did you see that? That was terrible. I stuck that.
I eliminated
Nice
him.
to know. Assisted. Where is he? Where's the last guy? He's AFK. I forgot. He's AFK.
I know he is. Let me get him. Yeah, assistant.
Let's do this.
Yeah, you're frozen.
Oh yeah, wait, one of them has a sniper. Level 53 guy has a sniper.
Okay, AFK guy.
Okay, we just gotta get the guy that is not AFK.
Guy that's not AFK,
I need help. I need help.
He's dead.
Let's go.
Corner him. He shot me. AFK guy.
I got hit by Bo. Come on, he's low. He's not low. He's not very low. Shoot him. Assault rifle, Tanae, assault. He's coming from up top. Dude, you need help.
No, I wish I had a med kit.
No, you don't.
I wish
You don't need a med kit. You already suck at it.
I do need a med kit.
Should I go get AFK? You get him low and then I'll do
No,
rest.
I'll get AFK guy.
You get him low and I'll do rest.
I'll do AFK guy.
You
Oh, I
get
got AFK guy.
you get him low. AFK guy's moving.
No AFK.
Told you. I gotta go out.
No AFK.
I gotta go all out. Let's go. I almost fell from that.
Can't see me.
Hit him for 70. Hit one for 70. Hit one. Where is he? Where's the last guy? Got him.
Got him.
Let's go,
I
bro.
eliminated him also.
Let's go. We are ghosted.
Man, you snaked him.
I love sniping.
I got him.
I go red.
I know where they are.
I go black. I got white. What you want?
I know where they are.
What's shooting me? I died. He's not even. He's behind you. He's on that house. Aren't you aware, Tanae? Learn where you aim, bro. Learn how you aim, bro.
I shot.
You suck. Right? You suck. Not lying.
Now we know where they are. They're going to be on blue house.
They're going on. They're gonna be on red or white. That's all I know. They're probably on red or white.
How did he one-shot me?
I can't see. I'm getting double teamed.
Oh, I wish we had med kits.
Baka, 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 baka,
I don't know where to go.
baka, baka.
No, how did he kill me?
No.
How?
Can I lock in?
Not in. I'm
Use your assault rifle to work. Go in first person. Go in first person. I can't even see. Oh, yeah, really? I knew it.
How does he one-shot me?
No, he doesn't. You suck. You only help him. Today, you are so bad. You need to learn how to aim. You were
I
literally.
wish I could buy something with 5 keys.
I don't think you
A pack
can.
that gives you 75 keys.
No, it doesn't.
I want it.
No, it doesn't, bro. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't happen. Docs. I'll be happy with them. Yeah, I like it.
Got it. I just picked straight.
Look, bro, they don't have sniper. We're gonna win.
What if that's played out controller? Both of them. They're both business.
Headshot.
Headshot. Let me kill the other person.
No, we just gotta work together to
No,
kill him.
can't please just kill him.
Oh, he's over here. He's over here. Hit him for 70.
Where is he?
He was over where you were. He's on the white. He's on white. I can't see.
Stop hitting him.
I'm getting hit by flare. I'm getting hit by flare. I died. Don't step on that flare. He's at 10 health.
He's at 10. Okay. That's
Just
easy.
shoot him once, bro.
Yeah, just 10.9.
No, it does 13. Just shoot him once. And if you can't shoot him at all, I'm just gonna say you suck. One more shot! Told you. Actually, bro, if he actually beat you there, I would just call you suck, bro.
Bro, I have 150 health. How can he beat me?
He could, because you suck at aiming. That's all I know.
Long.
Headshot one.
Let me get that person.
Oh, he's coming to me. He has a flare on me. I can't see. Oh, he's coming to you. Alright, now
We
Hazel.
all have the same hitter.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Except that guy right there.
Let's do this.
All of us almost have the same outfit.
Yo.
Because of his face.
I hit him for 70.
Eliminated someone.
Okay, let me headshot him. Oh, I see him.
How does he one-shot me off a bar sniper? He's shorting me.
You stuck.
He's in his first rifle.
You stuck. Yeah, I'm hungry, bruh.
You headshot him.
Wait, I'm hungry. So I'm always gonna go up here. Oh, one's shooting me! He's shooting me! I hit him for 70. And I shot him out. Oh, I almost did. No, he has an assault rifle, not a burst. No, it's not the same thing. You just need 2 more, dude. Let's roll.
I threw 3 smoke bombs. Let me kill one of them.
One of them's shooting you. Where is he shooting me from? Oh, okay, I got it.
Okay, he doesn't know where I'm at.
Hide in the smoke bomb. Just waste time. Just stay in there. Do not move. Do not move. Just stay in the smoke bomb. Oh shit. Just hide. Just hide. Do not move. Yeah. If they find you, just shoot them. Keep bend down. Keep bend yourself down. And if they find you, just shoot them. You just wasted time, bro. Seriously, bro, you're wasting time.
Oh, they just went right past me. They're like, back.
Oh. Oh.
Me. Wow, that was quick.
Come on, let's lock in, dude.
I know they are.
I know where one of them goes. Like, I seriously know. He's like always camping here. You're not a non-channel.
Oh, I killed someone. One of them is solo.
Seriously, bro?
One of them was only at 10.
How did you know?
One of them was only at
Dude, let's do the exact same thing. Do the exact same thing.
That's what I'm saying. Do the same thing that I just did. That's
Tanae, can you turn the volume down?
You trying to play on me and die.
Hey, money, bro.
You trying to play.
But I got him.
Wow,
It's okay,
snowman
bro.
fell on him.
Snowman, Dave got him. I want to hit a clean snipe on this last one. I want to hit a clean snipe.
I see them.
I want to hit a clean sniper.
He flag on me. He has a ball. He clocked me.
Why am I always like reloading? Like weird.
Stop reloading.
I don't know how to not stop it. I'm using sniper. If you want to use flare gun, I will use flare gun too. Because I have flare gun. You know. Can I go shoot them and then I'll help you? I'm using burst rifle. He's using assault rifle. Tonight, everyone lock in with assault rifle.
I'm just gonna be AFK.
Just lock in with assault rifle.
Make it a job.
Why don't you do? Why are you wanting to go AFK?
I'm not. I'm in the base.
I'm shooting one like crazy. One of them's low.
Go hide. I need hide. I'm low.
I got one off the. I got one. This guy's low. He's low. He's so low. One tap. He's a one tap. If you actually, he was next to me. He's a one tap. I'm seriously. If you don't actually kill him, give me the phone, bro. I will shoot him. I'm gonna control you. Where is he, bro?
Are you just looking?
Where is he, bro? He didn't disconnect.
He's trying to draw. He's trying to draw it. He's trying to draw it. No, I saw something.
Where is he?
I heard it. He's on the building.
Ken.
How much health is he at?
He's so low.
He's trying to draw it. I knew he was trying to draw it.
He was trying to draw, bro. You just lock in with assault. Why am I spectating you? Tonight you gotta hide. Just hide somewhere. Oh my god. This is so funny.
Yeah, it's 100% draw.
This is weird. Alright, I'll come back to you when it's a little more. Alright, for some reason, it just kicked us out and we lost that game somehow. That's so weird. What happens if I play you? You have a 33% chance of beating me if I play you. Alright, tonight, let's do this. Level 70 guy. He probably has a snip heart.
No, he doesn't. Imagine he does it.
Please be Docs. Yes, Docs.
Got it.
I'm gonna wait for him. Oh, he has sniping. Tanae, go on first person. Go on first person, Tanae. I died, sniped him.
He's a good sniper.
Oh, you suck.
He's a good sniper.
You need to learn how to actually aim, bro.
He died.
Kinda do suck in that.
What if I be AFK?
Don't be AFK. I'm telling you. Now I get an idea.
Someone sniped me. He's over there.
I have to get.
Imagine he's what?
No, no.
How do you go through walls?
Bunzo. Dang. I don't like this.
I just
rifle.
Someone has a chainsaw.
Why am I reloading? I got sniped. You just gotta kill the sniper and you're good. Yes, yes! This is easy. This is it. This is it. He's behind you. He's right there. Dude, why are you like that?
I like that. It's good for me. No! You know I'm going.
Oh, let's go!
I eliminated both of them. That's where British Dragon is better.
You have more than me. I'm not lying. You actually do have more than me. Let me have it. Nice, we just gotta get the sniper. Oh, he just sniped.
He sniped me!
Where was he?
He's on the right.
I'll go surprise him. Surprise!
He's not. You don't need to snipe.
Ew.
We're ahead of you! We're 788.
No, yeah, you do.
Yeah,
Hey, shut up, bro. There's a guy that has more than you, okay? You can't be talking. Sure you are. I see one. They're both low. They're both low. They were on the ground. They're on the ground. They're on the ground.
I see them. But I like that. Just sniper guys up.
Dude,
How much do you have?
work on your aiming, son.
Oh my god, I almost have 1,000.
I'm changing it up. I'm going with an assault rifle.
I'm almost ahead of the sniper guy.
Almost there. He's sniping. He's sniping. I gotta reload. I gotta reload. You got this, Tanae. You got this. I believe in you. I'm peeking from a corner.
You can snipe me. I like that. It's good for you.
Reload, reload.
Stop reloading. There's no double shit.
Almost, bro. You're just so good at sniping, bro.
Why does he always have to jump off? Yo, I'm 1,000. I'm better.
No one cares, bro. I mean, we're still losing.
I know. That is fun.
You got this, Tanae. You got this.
Ah, he sniped it. He sniped me. Where is he?
He's on yellow.
They're both?
No, one of them, both of them are. Look, see? They're on white. One of them white. He's low, he's at 5. He's just a 1 tap. How did you do that? Whoa! Why did I jump off, bro? Do you want to do a mirror matchup on the phone? We're leaving? Subscribe.